Yes, guys. It was a true moment. You are right, Boo. You are right. Now I have Chinese eyes. Cute eyes. Charan! Hello, Prasad! Welcome back, Prasad. Oh my God. Good morning, good morning. Anna is cute, crying or happy. Yeah, like baby crying. Look at her. Yeah, look at me. See, my eyes is swollen. Ni hao, Prasad. Look at her. Prasad, good morning. Welcome back. Look at her. How do I look like? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Leo. You made me cry again, Leo. Tivoy Melorad, what is that? Ah, Killer Red Nail. Yes. It's not red. It's eggplant color. But this time I didn't put the shimmer, the glittery. Happy holiday to you. Feliz Navidad. Now I can dance. Feliz Navidad. Thank you, Leo. I love you, Leo. I will pray for you always, Leo, that God will bless you more, Leo. God will bless you more, Leo. Thank you so much. God bless. God bless. Thank you, Boo. Thank you. Yeah, I'll just, if I will feel bored, then I will cut this one. I'm still enjoying with my nail. Wishing you in a Merry Christmas, Miss Very Beautiful Cat Eyes. Cat Eyes? I have beautiful eyes. Because I have very small eyes now. Small eyes? No, it's still big. With big eye bag. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Like me, I once was lost, but now I'm found. Thank you, Leo. Thank you so much. Do you have new video, Leo? Do you have new video? Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Very beautiful fingers. I like it. Arkising, good morning. Welcome back. Thank you. Yes, I'm okay. I'm okay, Arkising. I just cried. You know, it's a tears of joy. Tears of joy. As we gather, may your spirits work within us. Prasad, you have to watch again the whole live. That's your penalty. Because you are late. As we gather, may we glorify your name, knowing well that as our hearts will make one,